YouTube unveiled more AI search hooks for its content at the Google I/O 2026. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech updates. Get ready because you'll soon be able to ask conversational questions within YouTube to find specific answers or content within the platform, similar to Google Search's AI mode, but all in video. Ask YouTube pulls together what it thinks are relevant videos, including long-form content and shorts, and you'll be able to ask follow-up questions based on results to refine them further. Ask YouTube will also bring up small text summaries for a better insight into whether the video will address your questions. YouTube is also bringing Gemini Omni to its Create app and YouTube Shorts remix. While we can dive deeper into Omni inside Gemini, here it can create anything from any input, combining images, audio, video, and text as input, folding it into high-quality videos grounded in Gemini's real-world knowledge. Initially, the focus is on generating videos, so it makes sense to find it housed inside YouTube. You'll be able to remix shorts by adding your own prompts and images while keeping the context of the original video. You can even add yourself to the video or apply stylistic filter to everything. But don't worry, if you're a creator, as the owner of original shorts can opt out of visual remix. Google claims that Gemini Omni will better understand user intent to deliver more consistent results. It's a curious new feature at a time when several platforms are looking to crush down on low-effort reposts and slop. Ask YouTube is currently available to YouTube Premium members in the US through the YouTube Labs page. Meanwhile, Gemini Omni integration has already rolled out. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.